My name is Kirti Sujana. I'm a BTech student specializing in AI and ML at Vishnu Institute of Technology, Bhimavaram. I'm from Kakinada and growing up there has taught me perseverance and the curiosity. I chose to pursue the A&ML course while studying in college in GUVI because I didn't want to wait until graduation to start building the real skills. A&ML was shaping the future of technology and I wanted to understand how they actually work beyond what we learn in textbooks. So learning through GUVI has helped me connect what I study in college with practical and the real world application, and that's made my learning experience so much more meaningful. The course is going really well and I'm learning so many new things in A&ML field, and the way GUVI has structured the content makes even the tough concepts easy to understand. The mentors explain everything clearly with real life examples and the practical assignments after each topic. So it really helped me apply what I have learned. Even though I'm still in the end of the course, I can already see a big difference in how I think and approach the problems. I have become much more confident with A&ML concepts now. I had definitely say GUVI has been fulfilling everything it was promised. The course structure, the mentor support, and the hands-on project are exactly what I expected and even more. When I joined GUVI, I was stuck like all the remaining students, but when I started my journey in GUVI, I have already learned so much and started applying those skills in real-time projects. My future goal is to build a strong career in artificial intelligence and machine learning and work on projects that actually make a difference in people's lives. I want to explore areas like AI-driven automation, natural language processing, and data-driven solutions that solve real-world problems. Eventually, I had loved to take up roles where I can keep learning, innovate, and maybe even guide or mentor others. So, this course has really helped me see that AI isn't just about technology, but it's about using intelligence to create some positive impact. So, I chose GUVI because it felt like the right platform to build a strong foundation in AI and ML. So, what really attracted me there, the fact that GUVI focuses on practical learning and industry level projects. Most platforms just teach theory, but GUVI gives the opportunity to actually apply our knowledge, which I think is essential when learning something like AI. So, GUVI has strong backing. I knew the quality of the course would be top notch. And the best part is a mentor support. And the mentors are really approachable and experienced. So which makes the learning process smoother and more engaging. So whenever we have queries or any doubts, without any hesitation, we can reach out to the mentors who are super approachable and really helpful. So they always clarify doubts in a simple way, which makes the understanding the concepts easier. It provides the extra content in the resources beyond just the core course materials. So whenever I feel like I want to dive deeper into a specific topic, I can access additional recordings present in our GUVI platform and even optional advanced modules that really help expand my knowledge. So what I have learned in GUVI is that the course has been incredibly helpful for the interviews also, because it focuses on the real world projects and the practical application. So these hands-on experience I have gained through GUVI has allowed me to not only understand the theoretical concepts but also apply them in the practical scenarios. I have learned how to build the AI models, work with the real data, and solve the industry level problems. So all of which I can showcase in interviews. So plus the course has helped me improve my problem solving skills also. I can easily face the interviews and I can crack those.